Alright guys, you see the rotation of the drum, how it's going this way. That's what the drum is doing. Alright. Alright, quick tip. Now, if you have a screw and one of them a strip, leave that one for last, okay? You want to put another screw there, one here, and one there. This is going to keep the pressure off of this one, because you got to remember, since it's stripped, it's more difficult now to turn. So by pushing this back down, you're reducing the pressure it takes to remove this. So now this should turn much easier. All right, there it is. Just put some pressure. All right, now you have two more. Manual screwdriver, and you won't have that problem. Inner drum out. I'm going to be removing the bushing. This should come around on up, wiggle it. Alright, brand new, still good. So, I'll show you how to take this thing out without having to fight with it. Alright, so easiest way to take this thing out without damaging your threads in your tub, this is the way to do it. Alright, 2x4 or 1x, doesn't matter. Got your jack. Jack is sitting on the shaft. Okay. Now, adjustable. You're gonna turn this, and it's gonna push or pull the tub up on up. All right, so let's get down to the sides of it. Now, if you notice how it's skinny on one side, that's where we're shimmying, right there. Look how thick. All right, so you need to be able to hold this thing down when you set the inner drum in. All right, so what you're gonna do, get your old tub hub. If you don't have an old one, you might have to smooth out the splines and see. You will know when it's seated. You can't turn it. And go ahead and put the screws in. We don't have a screw for here. Well, we do, but we don't have the ability. So we're going to put one here, here, here. Basically all of them except for right there. All right, it's in. Now we're going to set this thing in. And I'll show you how you can slide it down, because it is going to be super tight. You can't just push it down. It will not go down. All right, now we need to step inside, but before you do that, all right, pay attention. See where it sits. You need to go all the way down. We have our old tub hub on. We're gonna climb in. Now you can see it's sturdy. You can't move the suspension rods. They're not holding up the weight. You do not want to add weight to that because you need a sturdy foundation. Now I'm standing on the tub hub. Most of my pressure is actually on it, so you're not adding any more extra force on those screws. Keep that in mind. There we go. We just slid down. All right, I think we're good. Let's climb out. All right, so your new tub hub, you want to make sure you walk it down. Don't beat it down. It should fit nicely. You have grooves that the screw holes will line into. Don't use a hammer. You should be able to just walk it down. If you need to tap it slightly, that's fine, but you don't have to force it. Now put your screws in. Use a manual screwdriver. And when you tighten, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then that one, and then that one. You do them in sequence as you slowly bring it down. Do not tighten one too much. You're gonna put tension here. You can end up snapping it or damage your thread. Forget to remove that. Don't forget it.